you click anywhere in your pivot table. You wanna go up to the pivot table analyze tab up here. And then what you're gonna go to is this calculation section. There's a field items and sets button. You click on that, and right underneath that, you're gonna click on the calculated field. So the first field here is to name this calculated field. And so what we're gonna name this is cost per unit. I want this formula to calculate the cost per unit of each product. So I'm gonna call it cost per unit. So now we need to create our formula. And so what I wanna do is I wanna figure out the cost per unit. And the way to do that is I have to know the formula. So what that's gonna be the launch cost divided by the number of units sold. So I come down to the fields I already have in my pivot table, and I find my launch cost, and I'm gonna insert the field here. I'm gonna get rid of this 0, and then I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna divide by the number of units sold, insert field, and I want to now add this formula with this name into my field section over here. So it'll get added over to the right pane once I do this. So I'm gonna add it, and I'm gonna select OK. So as you can see, it's already added my cost per unit calculated field that I just created.